I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and in this Fits in 5 video, I want to look at TAN, the Solar ETF, and here's why. It looks to me like the federal government and a lot of states too, for that matter, are going to be putting a lot of subsidies, a lot of mandates, a lot of contracts into solar and the EV market, electric vehicle market, just a lot of renewable sources. And so with Congress recently passing, I think they passed it. Maybe it's just on track to pass, but all that crap's going to be passed. So anyway, kind of lost track of where I was. So I'm looking at these things, and again, Congress is going to pass everything. They always do, especially when it comes to spending. Money's free. So, hey, consequences be damned. Money's free. And so when it comes to trading, this is the type of thing that happens. You're going to look at solar. You're also going to look at metals because of the inflationary environment that free money creates. And so this is what we did. I actually put this on our growth stock list today, our active trade list. And so even if you're not a member, I wish you would be, but even if you're not a member, you can see what we're doing here. So I decided to buy the stock, enter it today at 98 bucks, somewhere around there, very close to where it closed. And then I got two stops on it. One is a relatively tight one at 92 bucks. The low here today was 94.50. This one here, the low was 92.34. So I figure 92.30. Only way that stop is hit is if this stock completely falls below yesterday's big low. And then I have a looser stop down here at 84.60 for those that have a little higher tolerance for short-term pain. As long as the stock stays above the 50-day moving average, it's all good in the hood. I mean, not Robin Hood, but it's all good in the hood. So these are the two stops that I've got suggested for our members. That's all I got for you, okay? As we get into Thanksgiving, I'm just giving you the heads up so you won't say later that I didn't warn you. I'm going to be having a significant special price only for members. If you're not a member, you ain't going to get the email. You're not going to get the opportunity. If you are a member, then you will. And that's all I'm going to tell you, because I don't have to tell you anything more. All right, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.